The fog rolled in thick from the Detroit River, swallowing the trees along Grosse Ile like a creeping tide of ghosts. Locals called this the breathing mist, because sometimes, if you listen close, you could hear it whisper names. On nights like this, no one dared wander down Jefferson Avenue near the old Magladen battlefield. Everyone in Trenton knew the story. A British soldier who refused to rest until his body was found. They called him Captain James Muir, but the locals knew him simply as the Magladen Ghost. He died in 1812, shot through the heart during a skirmish between British redcoats and American militiamen. His lover Eleanor searched for his body for days, but the field was chaos, and his grave was never marked. Legend said his spirit still walked the shore each October, drenched in moonlight and blood, whispering her name into the wind. 2 centuries later, a pair of paranormal investigators came hunting proof. The locals laughed, told them the story was a campfire myth. But when their recorder picked up a man's voice saying, "Cold, still waiting," they weren't laughing anymore. They followed the sound toward the riverbank, flashlights cutting through the fog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more episodes of Untold Stories. Then they saw him, a tall figure in a tattered red coat, face pale as river stone, boots sinking into the mud. His eyes glowed faintly blue like drowned lanterns. In one skeletal hand he held a rusted saber. In the other, something that shimmered like a locket. "Eleanor," he whispered, looking past them as if they weren't even there. "Tell them to bring me home." The ground trembled. Their lights flickered out. For one heartbeat, the whole river seemed to pulse red. When they came to, the figure was gone, but in the mud lay a single brass button from a British officer's coat, still warm to the touch. The next morning, city workers dredging the river uncovered human remains, buried deep beneath the reeds, wrapped in a rotted red uniform. The button was missing. When they held a small service and reburied the bones, the whispers on Jefferson stopped. But every October 9th, the mist still rises from the Magladen battlefield, and drivers swear they see a lone soldier walking the river's edge, his lantern swinging low, as if still searching for the one thing death couldn't take: love.